Yo, wake up. It's time to do a video on the Panda Knomi 3D. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? I'm Reefer Matt, and today's video is a product review on this product right here. This is the Panda Knomi 3D by Big Tree Tech. They sent me this way to do a review on it, and we'll take a look at what I think about it. It goes on my Bambulab A1, and I'll show you what I'm printing on it too. Let's have a look. All right, time for another 3D printing video. And right here is the product I was talking about. That is the Panda Knomi 3D. It's a new product by Big Tree Tech, and we'll have a look at it. All right, well, here's two of my printers. I got my X1 and my A1 going by Bambulab. And today's product review is on the A1, and that is the Panda Knomi 3D right there. Look at that guy. All right, so what this thing is basically just like a little screen for your 3D printer. And it has different faces and different graphics depending on what it's doing. And this is the 3D version if you're familiar with the regular Panda Knomi. The cool thing about this is you can upload any GIF file that'll fit in it. And you can assign it to different things that the printer's doing, like heating up or printing. You can actually customize the graphics in there. This is one of the stock graphics, and I'll show you in a little bit how we can change that. This shows you the percentage of your print and also that cool little smiley face there too. And as you can see, I'm printing out some little mini frag racks for frag tanks. So one of the things I had trouble with was hooking this up and binding it to the printer, because it will change depending on what the printer mode is, the screen will. So if you go into settings and you go to LAN only mode, that's your access code right there. I'm going to blur mine out, but the IP and the access code is what you're going to need to bind the printer, and that's where you find it. Is in that screen right here that says LAN only mode. All right, so the way you connect to this is you select your Wi-Fi, and it's actually got a Wi-Fi network, and you select the Panda Knomi one. This does not have an app yet. The password is 9876543 and 1. And you connect. And then after you do that, it'll take you right there. And you want to go to the theme. And that's where you can change all the different little screens that are on this, all the different little faces and things. So I'll show you what they look like. All right, so right now you see just a regular face on there with the percentage that's being printed. And I can actually change that too. So here is just the percentages. So if you don't want to see a face and you just want to see what percent that the print is printing, there you go right there. Or if you just want the face itself, there's that as well. And another cool feature on this is you can change the colors on it. So by pressing that, select something a little green. Then now, my little guy is going to be green. There we go. See how he's green now? So you can change this to whatever color you want. And if you want to reset it, just hit reset the default, confirm, and it'll go back to the color it was. You may have to hit the preview mode here to get it to change back too. All right, that's a little better. You can see I actually changed the screen there, and I put my logo. There is a GIF generating app online, and I'll show you that, to where you can make your own GIFs for this too. or if you just want to find some, just look up Knomi GIFs, and there'll be a whole bunch on there that you can put on here. All right, so now that I've shown you a few things on this, I'm going to go through what I don't like about it. You can see this little red light here. That's always on, so it kind of takes away from the effect of the screen there. And this is a clear cover. This is sold separately, or you can buy it as a kit. So you can buy just the screen, just the cover, or both together. And there's actually a little dome on here that makes it like a 3D effect. This is actually round right here. But I wish they gave the STL to print these like they did the old one. Maybe they will, because this is a brand new product. But I cannot find any STLs to print my own cover for this, so I got to live with this clear cover for now. You can use the older Knomi covers, but you won't be able to put this 3D dome on it, and it won't have like a 3D effect. If you go to the side here, you can still see it either way like that, and that's what that dome does. Pretty neat. That's one of the things I don't like about it. The other is because there's no app right now, it's sort of a pain to have to switch to the Wi-Fi and find it on there and go through that. But once you mess around with it, it's not too bad, but it's just something nitpicky. I wish there was an app for it. And there's also many different ways to hook this up. Right now I have it hooked up to another product, which we'll review next time. So it creates a nice little convenient power hub up there to plug the Knomi in. Otherwise, it does come with a cable that you can run into the back of the A1 printer if you have an extra 4-pin connector back there. Usually the other one goes to like an AMS or an AMS light, and then you have a spare one. I don't have any spare ones right now because I have a light that I use for one right here. And then I also have the AMS on the other one. So having this hub frees up a spot in the back for me to use those other 4-pin connectors for other things. But you can also use it for that if you don't want to buy this other product back here, which is called the Bamboo Cooler. And we'll review that next time. However, with the Knomi, you can also mount it right there if you want. There were options to mount on that instead of over here. But I like it there because the graphics are more representative of the tool head itself. And here's another one of my favorite GIFs. I work at a nuclear power station, so this one's pretty cool. And that just makes my printer nuclear. All right, so just to let you know, this thing is sort of fragile. It's just a screen. I don't know if you can see it, but when I first put it on and put the little cover over it, I had a black line that went across the screen right here, and you can just barely see where it shows up right there. So in this is another one that I had, and I think it's because I didn't quite have it in the housing lined up, and I put that cover on, I put the little retainer on here, and it kind of smushed the screen a little bit. So just be very careful when you're putting this in, because it is just a little naked screen there. You can crack it, scratch it. All right, so here's the website where you can make your own GIFs for this. There's the address right there. It's called Panda Knomi. And it gives you a preview and everything of what it'll look like. So right here it says choose a condition. And these are all the different little screens that this thing has. So when the nozzle's heating or the bed's heating, you can choose a different graphic for each of those. And you can make them right here. You can either upload a file and it'll animate it for you, or you can search here. And as long as you make it a small enough size and it gives you hints right here on what it needs to be, then you'll be able to upload it to the Knomi. So if I wanted to search for, let's just say 3D printing, 3D printer. Here's some different little graphics that pop up, and if I can make them small enough, it'll actually show on that screen. Here's Squidward there, and it kind of gives you a little preview of what it'll look like. So that's pretty cool too. And there's a button to do it. So yeah, I would suggest just to play around. It tells you what the file size will be when it's done. Play around with this. You can save it to your phone or your tablet or whatever, and then try uploading it to the Knomi. And you can also animate your own pictures as well by going right here and just upload them to the website, and it'll give you a whole bunch of different different options as far as how to animate it. So yeah, this thing's really fun to play with. I mean, you can sit here for hours making your own graphics for it and changing the colors and doing all kinds of stuff and really customizing the screen on how you like it. But it really personalizes your 3D printer. If you want to try the Panda Knomi 3D, I'll put my affiliate link right here. If you make a purchase, you can help out the channel and get an awesome product. I had a lot of fun reviewing this, and I think you will too on your 3D printer. I want to thank Big Tree Tech for sending this out my way. I'm Reefer Matt. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.